In this video, I will show you how I made over $1,000 just by copying and pasting some text. But before, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Internet Tips. Now getting to the steps to make money with this method. Step 1. I want you to go on to google.com, then search for Google News and click on this link right here. You will be taken to the Google News official website. This is where we can find the latest news and latest articles from all over the world. You can see here on the left side, there are different categories of news. You have news about the world, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. So for example, if you are to go to the health category, then you are going to see all of the news about health over here. For example, this article right here, this is a good article. A lot of people around the world will click on this article. Now that you have opened the article, let's go and copy the content of this article. And now let's proceed to step number 2. I want you to go on Paraphraser. This is the website where we are going to paste the articles that we copied earlier. This tool will rewrite that article for you. This means that you can have that entire article in your own words. This makes the articles unique and you can use it for your own purposes. I want you to paste that copied article on this box right here, then click on this "I'm not a robot" box right here. After that, you can see here in this box on the right side the results. You can read it here that the context is still the same, but it is using different terminologies and other synonymous words. Now I want you to copy that rewritten text. Later I will show you 3 websites where we can use this rewritten text that we have and earn a lot of money. Some of these websites will literally pay you $1 per word. And as you can see here, this text has over 10 words in it. This means you will earn over $1,000 in just less than 30 minutes of work. Step 3. The first website that we are going to submit our rewritten articles is called eatingwallcom. On this website you can write articles for these guys and they are going to pay you for doing exactly that. You can literally earn over $1 per word on this website. To submit your articles, go to the Writer's Guideline page and then click on this link. Here you are going to have to fill this entire formulary, including the part where you are going to paste the rewritten text from Paraphraser. After you submit your article, they are going to review it, and if they like it, they are going to ask for your payment details. If you want to get paid via PayPal, then just send them your PayPal address. But if you want to get paid through bank transfer, just send them your bank payment details. You can send them a lot of articles because every single day there are always new articles that are posted on Google News. Step 4. We go to the third website, which is called dailyjstoreorg. You can go over their submission guidelines and read more about this website. However, this website will pay you a little less than the 2 websites that I just showed you. But this is also a great website to earn extra money. The thing that I like about this website is that they're going to ask you to write about 2,000 words in one article. This is very easy to do. If you use the method that I just showed you, they're going to pay you 31 cents average, which is a pretty good offer. The more articles you submit on this website, the more you are going to earn. Not all articles will get accepted, but if you can get at least one article approved, then you are going to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So don't wait and start making money right now.